All right, everybody, here is part three to the for sale by owner and expired campaign. So far, what has happened? You have got a list of expires to call or for sale by owners or both. You reached out to them, you booked an appointment to come in and not list their home, right? You didn't want to list their home. That's what we told them. And we wanted to come in to see if we could just bring buyers by Saturday from 2 to 3 o'clock or Sunday from 3 to 4 o'clock, right? All right. So now you have the appointment. You want to prepare for the appointment just like it's a regular listing appointment. So hopefully you guys have looked at our system for listing houses, and you have all your documents ready to go. You have your PowerPoint, your VIP seller presentation ready to go, and you're going to share. Once you get to the home, you'll walk through the home and you'll ask them, if I had a buyer who was willing to pay cash for your home, or a briefcase full of cash, and I don't right now, how much would you sell the home for? Because you saw what they had the home listed for, but you guys know they will take less than that because only 8 to 11% of for sale by owners' homes actually sell. So if they say a number that's doable for you, you say, what? I can definitely get your house sold. If they say a number that's way out in the stratosphere because you've priced the home and you know what it's worth, you'll just simply say, how did you come up with that number? And then once you finish showing the house, you'll get back to the kitchen or dining room table and you'll go over all the numbers with them, right? On what that looks like. And then they'll decide if they want you to list the home or just bring buyers by. It does not matter to you at all which one they choose because you'll get paid anyways, right? So we already talked about your compensation on how you get paid in previous trainings, but here's a quick recap. Once you can get them to a price, so let's say they had the house listed on Zillow for $375,000, and they told you they would really take $360,000, and you did your pricing sheet, and you know the home will still appraise at $375,000. So the difference between $375,000 and $360,000 is $15,000, right? Yes. So you go like this. So what do you need to net in order for this to be a good situation for you if I give you a buyer? They'll say, well, I definitely need to net $360,000. Are you willing to pay a commission? Well, what's your commission? My commission is 4%. And you guys will talk about that, right? And whatever you come to is whatever you come to. It really doesn't matter. Okay, because I'm going to show you, you guys know in our special stipulations on how we make money anyways. So let's say they say at 360, I'm not willing to pay any commission, get the commission from your buyer. That's worst case scenario for you. And you say, okay, so you're not going to pay any commission at 360, right? Okay, nope. So any amount that I sell your home above 360, can that be compensation to me? So if I sell your house for 365, it's 5,000 for me. They go, well, yeah, okay, great. All right, no problem. This is what you want anyways, because you really could make more money.